if function. This function returns one value if the condition is true and another if the condition is false. Now in this student record, we need to show the result in this column. Either the student is pass or fail. In this column, that is the mark column, is less than 40, then it means he is fail, else he is pass. Now let us use the if function to find the result. So here type the function if, open bracket. Once we type the open bracket, you will see the tip below on how to use this function. The first argument in this function is logical test. Logical test is the condition which we want to check. We are going to check this cell, that is C4 90. The mark of Jacob is in cell C4. This mark we are going to check. So type C4 and we are going to check whether it is less than 40. So type less than 40. This is our condition, C4 less than 40. If C4 is less than 40, then it means he is fail. Just put a comma after the condition. The next argument is value if true. If this condition is true, then what it means? Then the student is fail. So type fail. The fail should be typed within double quotes since it is a string. Put a comma. Then see our next argument, value if false. If the condition is not satisfied, then he is pass. So again type pass within double quotes. Close the bracket and press the enter button. Now we can see the result here. Now move the cursor to the right bottom corner of this cell and drag it down to see the result on the other cells. Now change the value in this cell and let us check. I am typing 21 here, press enter, it's showing fail. If I put any mark greater than 40, then it will show the result as pass. In this example, we are checking a single condition. Here we are checking only one condition. We are going to see one more example in which we will use multiple conditions here. Let us take this example. Here we are going to find the result using marks in 3 subjects: language, maths and science. If the student get less than 40 in any one of this subject, then he is fail. This condition we are going to use in if function. Here we are going to check 3 conditions. These 3 conditions we are going to combine with OR operator, or operator. Let us see how to write the function. C4 less than 40, D4 less than 40, comma, E4 less than 40. These are the 3 conditions we are going to check. If any one of these condition is satisfied, either in one subject, if the student get less than 40 marks, he is failed. So I am combining these 3 conditions with the OR operator. Close all these conditions within a bracket and outside this put the OR operator. Put a comma here. Next, value if true. If any one of these condition is satisfied, then he is fail. So type fail within double quotes put a comma. Next, value if false. If these conditions are not satisfied, then he is pass. So within double quotes type pass, close the bracket, press enter button. Now it is showing he is pass. Just drag the mouse. See, this student is failed because he got less than 40 in maths. This student is failed since he got less than 40 in language.